Caitlin Banks, and I play the trumpet. I like high school band because you get to make a lot of new friends, and the camaraderie between people is really great during marching season and concert season.
Hi, I'm Christina Hickey, and I play the clarinet, and I like high school band because you're more connected with each other and you get to interact more with other people. So.
Hi, my name is Richard Nahara, and I play the tuba. I like high school band because there's more activities and you can learn even more about your instruments.
Hi, I'm Shaughnessy, and I play the flute, and I like high school band because of the marching season and all the contests and the games that you get to go to.
Okay, hi, my name is Jessica Mertz. I play the clarinet, and I love being in high school band because it's exciting, it's fun, and you meet many new people with new talents.
My name is Kendra, and I'm Rachel, and I play the flute. I play the flute also. I like high school band because it became my family.
And you can be as weird as you want and no one will judge you.
Hi, my name is Caitlin and I play the trombone, and I like high school band because you learn about music and you get to have fun with friends.
Hi, my name is Matthew and I play the baritone, and I like high school band because you make new friends and you get to party.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
I'm Rachel. I'm Kendra.
I'm Mitchell. I'm Parker.
I'm Caitlin. I'm Summer.
Come on!